Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Breach on Sunset. Breach is a powerful initiator agent designed to aggressively clear paths and disrupt enemies using abilities that pass through terrain. His kit includes Flashpoint for blinding, Fault Line for dazing, Aftershock for damage, and his ultimate, Rolling Thunder, for widespread disruption. Sunset is a two-site map with a vital mid-control area, making Breach's wall-piercing utility incredibly effective for both attacking and defending key positions. When attacking a site, Breach can be a game-changer. Start by using Fault Line through a main to stun any defenders holding the choke, allowing your team to push. Follow up with a Flashpoint through a elbow or a main to blind enemies on site or behind cover, creating easy picks. Utilize Aftershock to clear common hiding spots, like behind the default plant box, forcing enemies out. Coordinate these abilities with your duelists for effective site takes and quick trades. For B-site attacks, deploy Fault Line through B-main to stun defenders holding tight angles or pushing aggressively. A well-placed Flashpoint through the B-market door or B-main entrance can blind multiple enemies on site, setting up your team for entry. Use Aftershock to clear congested areas like the Boba shop corner, denying easy hiding spots. Additionally, Breach is excellent for mid-control. Use Fault Line and Flashpoint through walls to clear mid-tiles or mid-courtyard, enabling rotations or flank opportunities. On defense, Breach excels at stalling enemy pushes. Use Fault Line through a main or B-main to daze and delay attackers, giving your team time to rotate. Flashpoint can be used aggressively to blind enemies pushing through choke points, securing early picks. During post-plant situations, Aftershock is invaluable for denying spike diffuses, especially on default plant spots. Finally, Breach's ultimate, Rolling Thunder, is a powerful retake tool, dazing and knocking up all enemies across an entire site, making it nearly impossible for them to hold their ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.